Today we're going to discuss using landmarks as part of your fleet management options. So what we want to do, we don't really need to take a look at a fleet today. We're going to just click on the landmark section. Now what is a landmark? Where your GPS device can support up to 10 geofences, and we covered geofences in a previous video. The landmark allows you to create as many points of interest as you want. There is no limit. And basically what it does is it converts a latitude and a longitude or an address into a name you know. So instead of seeing a street address, you would see office or a main location that your drivers may frequent. And you can then run reports based on landmarks. Now, it isn't a live notification when the landmark is reached. It's something that can be done after the fact in a report. But this gives you the ability to, if they have the same deliveries, know exactly when they got to those particular landmarks, and you can get very creative with using your landmarks. To add landmarks and create landmarks, very simple. I can add a new group here by clicking on the Add Group button, and then give a name of the new group, whether it's supermarkets, medical facilities, base stations, whatever the case may be with different locations your drivers may frequent, you can name those groups there. Here we have a little description of how to create a landmark manually, but you can also enter a physical address, and all again you need is a street address and a zip code, and then you can actually GeoQuick that address on your map. Once that address pops on your map, you can actually decide what kind of name you want to give that landmark and customize what that landmark icon is going to look like. So it could be anything from a bay, whatever the case may be, shipping docks, and then you can save it, you can change the foreground, and you can just add that landmark on the screen. So that's a quick way to do it. The other way to do a landmark, and I'll just zoom in here, and to zoom in, all you need to do is just, if you have a roller on your mouse, you could just roll in. But I can double click anywhere on the map, and it's going to allow me the opportunity to create a landmark the same way as well. It's going to grab the address that I just clicked on, and again, I just clicked on a random address, and then I can decide, the different details that we just covered as to the color, the icon, the name. So the landmarks are a great opportunity to cover a lot of waypoints that your drivers may frequent. It could be all the drivers' homes, but this gives you the ability in a report to take a look at where they reached and what landmarks they reached and when they reached them. Very easy to set up and group them. Once you create a landmark, you can put them in specific groups, and it's very easy to manage the landmarks. That's basically our tutelage on the landmark section. Look forward to talking to you on upcoming videos. Thank you.